Hi guys, in this video we will be discussing the English ELTL question paper. The name of the paper is English Language through Literature. It is for BA program, second semester, and the duration for the paper will be 3 hours. This is written by mistake. And the maximum marks for the paper will be 75. These are the instructions for the paper. The paper contains 3 unsent passages and questions based on them. That means 3 unsent passages will be there and questions will be based on these 3 passages. The questions are in 2 parts, that is A part and B part, both of which are compulsory. Students will attempt any 3 questions of the from each part. That means from from A part you need to attempt any 3 questions, and same from the B part you need to attempt any 3 questions, a total of 6 questions. Answers for part A are to be written in 350 to 300 words, and for part B in 350 to 500 words. So moving on to the passages, this is passage 1, which is an unseen passage obviously, and this is passage 2, which is a poem, a short poem. This is passage 3, again an unseen passage. Now let's see the questions. These are the questions. This is part A. Answer any 3 of the following. This is 3 into 10, 30. That means one question is for 10 marks. Okay. Question number 1 and 2 are based on passage 1. Question number 3 and 4 are based on passage 2. And question number 5 is based on passage 3. So this is the first question. Why does the author of passage 1 calls life a teacher? What are the biggest lessons he has learned from it? Write a recent answer with close reference to passage 1. So this is from passage 1 and the word limit is 350 to 300 words, and this is for 10 marks. What does the author of passage 1 mean by an enigma worth unraveling? Write a reasoned answer with close reference to passage 1. This is again from passage 1. The word limit is 350 to 300 words, and it is for 10 marks. So moving on to the third question. How is intelligence acquired as per passage 2? Now this is from passage 2. In what ways does it help you? Pick out words and phrases from the passage from the poem in passage 2 to substantiate your answer in 350 to 300 words. This is again for 10 marks. Question number 4 is, how is the second kind of intelligence mentioned in passage 2 like a fountain head? Why does the poet recommend it? Answer in 350 to 300 words. This is again for 10 marks. And the fifth and the last question for part A is, relate the difficulties faced by the children in their daily life while going to school in the story in passage 3. How does they deal with these daily struggles? Answer in 350 to 300 words. This is again for 10 marks. Let's see the B part. Part B is, answer any 3 questions of the following. Question number 6 is for from passage 1. Question number 7 and 8 are based on passage 2. Question number 9 and 10 are based on passage 3. So question number 6 says, write note on passage 1 using headings and subheadings. So in this question you need to make notes using headings and subheadings as well as recognizable abbreviations whenever necessary. This is for 15 marks. Question number 7 is, write a letter. Now this is a letter writing question. Write a letter to your friend encouraging him/her to go beyond rote learning referred to in the poem in passage 2. So this is from the poem passage 2. Answer in around 350 to 500 words, and it is for 15 marks. Question number 8 is, paraphrase the full poem from passage 2 in 350 to 500 words, and it is for 15 marks. So you will paraphrase the poem in passage 2. So this is the ninth question. In today's world, in today's time, the world of sports is not aloof from society. Write 10 turns of dialogue between you and the school sports teacher about the importance of including Indian sports in the curriculum, drawing on what you read in passage 3. So this is from passage 3. This is based on passage 3. It is for 15 marks. So the last question from part B is, imagine you are teaching at a government aided school in some district village as described in passage 3. So this is from passage 3. Write a report. Now this is a report writing question on the challenges to teaching learning due to poor infrastructure in your area. Also suggest measures that can be implemented to improve the situation. So this is for 15 marks. So that's all was there in the ELTL exam question paper. So that's it for the video. If you like it, do subscribe the channel. Also comment down if you want the answers in the written form. I'll make a separate video for you guys. Thank you.